Hey everyone, my name is Carrie Woodward and I'm a team leader with Usborne Books and More, and today we are going to be talking about spot books and find the difference books. Now, why would your child be interested in a spot book or look and find book or a find the difference book? Well, there are a couple of reasons. Kids are active learners. They want to be actively exploring and experimenting with the world around them. And when we can't get them outside to play, or when we just have to have them be seated to do something fun, it's super important that we provide these playful and engaging activities for them. Also, these are the spot books and find the difference books. They are great for their problem solving abilities, because we present them with a picture and we ask them to find lots of different things within that picture. So it works on memorization, and it works on problem solving skills for them, all things that they are going to need as they grow up. So I have a selection of books to go through with you today, going all the way from infant spot books all the way up to elementary aged spot books for kids. So let's start with Find the Duck. Find the Duck is illustrated by Stephen Cartwright, so it's a very simple little book with thick pages, all about finding the little duck that's on every single page. But again, you can ask all kinds of questions, you can talk about colors, shapes. There's all kinds of extra learning that can happen when you are reading these books with little ones. This is the Colorful World series. We have sea, mountain, forest, and farm, and these are Find the Difference books. So on every page there's going to be a question, and you are asking them to find the difference between the different animals or objects that are on the page. So great problem solving books at the infant level. Next up, for toddlers, we have the very first book of Things to Spot. So there are 3 in this series so far. We have the very first book of Things to Spot, the very first book of Things to Spot at home, and the very first book of Things to Spot out and about. So again, these are great books where there's all kinds of prompts for the mommies and daddies, so that they're asking all kinds of appropriate questions. You can go over shapes, you can go over colors, you can make up your own questions. You can ask them to find all kinds of different things in these, but they are great conversational starters and great problem solving activity books for little ones. Next up for our toddlers, ages about 3 to 5, are the picture puzzle books. So we have all kinds of picture puzzle books: the regular picture puzzle, dinosaur picture puzzle, under the sea picture puzzle, and cats and dogs picture puzzle. There are all kinds of these. And again, these are thick board pages, but there are all kinds of text bubbles within each of the pages where there are all kinds of questions. So there's lots of things to find within all of the different kind of distractions on the page. So your older siblings can work with your younger siblings. You can sit on the floor with your little guys and go through all the questions. And again, you can talk about all kinds of other things that are happening on these pages besides just the question prompts that are being given to you. So that's the picture puzzle series. And then we have some older kid spot books. This is the big book of Things to Spot. This is a combined volume book. And so it has 4 different books in it. And what I like about this is that it can be used for younger kids too, because all you need is the picture, and then you're going to find that number of that particular object within the page. So like I said, there are 4 different books in this particular book. This is the big book of Things to Spot. And so you're going to get all kinds, and then there's puzzles at the end as well, so you can go back and find some different things. So just fun, hands-on activities that get your kids engaged and learning different things. And then lastly, we have the Great Wildlife Search. This one is for ages 6+. Not necessary for them to be able to read again, because they have these great pictures to go along with what they're finding in the main picture. But there's so much more, because this particular book gives them lots and lots of information about all of the things that they need to find as well. So as your child gets older and are using these different spot books, they're going to learn a lot about what is actually happening and what the different objects are that are in the pages that they're looking at. So again, I highly recommend the Spot books and the Find the Difference books, all the way from babies all the way up through elementary school. They're great for exploring their world around them, and they're absolutely fantastic for working on those problem-solving skills that are going to be critical as they develop and get older. So, hope that helps to walk you through some of our different Spot books. And remember, all kids deserve books. Thank you.